players.
That means it's time to drop the puck. Hello, everyone. Jim Houston here, along with Craig Simpson. The face-off goes to the... Stamkos gets checked. He grabs the puck. Geno. Kucherov grabs it. McDavid.
Line 3, get up there!
Moved ahead.
Line 3!
Out over the blue line. Over the blue line. Stamkos gets hold of the puck. Sergachev. Tampa with it now. Brings it in. Paul knocks him off the puck. Edmonton in control now. Brown runs over Hedman. Ernie moved up. Passed ahead.
Line 2!
The Hahn takes control of the puck. Wrist shot. Saved by Vasilevsky. Quick pass up. The Lightning dump the puck in. Edmonton puts its checking line out. Centers it. Cirelli dumps the puck in. Ekholm takes possession. Kane gets it. And out they come with the puck. Advances the puck. Brown dumps the puck in. Tampa has it now. Point.
Line 4!
Nurse picks it up. Chudov touches up for icing. McDavid takes it. Myers touches up for the icing call. The face-off goal. Sergachev scores! Tampa is full of confidence right now.
And that could carry them a long way in this game.
McDavid takes possession of the puck with a one-timer. Hyman scores!
An outstanding effort on that goal.
Tampa gives up the early lead.
This could end up being a last goal wins kind of game.
Moved up. In over the line.
97,
Ernie fires! Scores!
Now that's a goal. That'll definitely make the highlight reel.
A one-timer in hockey is like a penalty kick in soccer. The goalie just has to guess where it's going.
Yeah, and he guessed wrong on that one.
Just halfway through the first, and they're down by 1.
That's a bad situation to be in, Jim. Now instead of setting the tone, they have to play catch-up.
Hedman knocked him off the puck. Tampa corrals it. Kucherov. Over the line. Harry finds the loose puck. Tampa touches up for icing. Harris picked it up. Over the blue line. Ernie, hard one-timer. Played up.
Line 3, get up there!
Out of their defensive end. Harris scoops up the loose puck. Draisaitl backhands it. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle.
Dunk your favorite player in the water tank? You can at our upcoming family carnival.
Gagne won the faceoff. Nurse gets hold of the puck. He gets checked. Advances the puck. Moved ahead. Vasilevsky. Great save.
Line 1!
Passed ahead. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Knights finds the loose puck. Knights gets checked. Shoots. Campbell. Great save. Passed ahead.
Line 2!
Draisaitl takes possession of the puck. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Out over the blue line. Icing called against Tampa. About to drop the puck. Look out now, we've got a developing situation on our hands.
These guys are trying to send a message.
Referee moves in and breaks up the bout.
Nothing doing here. Pretty much a draw.
They're getting ready for the face-off. Nugent Hopkins wins the draw.
Defender Kane.
Moved up.
For fighting.
Advances the puck. Perry. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Edmonton grabs it. Nugent Hopkins in the corner. Ernie jumps on the loose puck. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Whips it. Leg save.
An open net wouldn't have helped that shot.
Harris shoots hard. Ernie stops the shot. Offside. The puck is about to be dropped. Cheno finds the loose puck. Gagne shoots it. Fogel scores.
A display of talent like that is unbelievable. That's what the fans came to see. He let loose an absolute howitzer on that one-time blast. I bet the goalie didn't even see it go by.
Edmonton scores again, pulling ahead by 2.
The danger now is complacency. If they go on autopilot, they'll pay for it.
Sheary has been nailed for interference. Janmark. They're getting ready for the face-off. McDavid with the puck. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. The action's about to start. Draisaitl fires it. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. The face-off goes to the Oilers. Ekholm takes control of the puck. Brown. With a wrist shot, Vasilevsky gets a leg on it. There's the end of period 1. The Lightning need someone to step up and take the big shots.
Oh, Jim, they're down by 2. Any shots would be good right now.
We've played a period so far, and the competition has been slim.
Now they'll need to bring more to the table if they want to win this one.
The ref is ready to drop the puck. Passed across. Point grabs the puck. The Lightning dump it. Scooped up by Edmonton, and out they come with a puck. Moved up. The Hahn with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Point takes control of the puck. Shot the puck. Stone cold by Campbell. Out over the blue line. McDavid jumps on the loose puck. Brings it in. Working along the perimeter. The Hahn gets in the way. Bouchard. Geno. Over the blue line. Nurse shoves him. Geno shoots the puck. Nurse with it now. Stamkos steals it. Edmonton scoops it up. Wrist shot. Sheary skates back onto the ice. The power play is over. Icing against Edmonton. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Dumba advances the puck. Played up. Along the boards, Dumba knocks the puck loose. Point, got it. Into the attacking zone. Breakaway! The door is shut by Campbell. Watson with the puck. Point, show.
He couldn't duck that one.
He gets hold of the puck. Point. Edmonton scooped it up. Jeno. Tampa finds it. Point. Gets the shot off. Harris now with it. He gets nailed. Ernie. Cece scoops up the loose puck. Corey Perry. Out of their defensive end. Moved ahead. Henrik. Quick pass up. Moved up. Brings it in. Played up. Perry gets the loose puck. Nugent Hopkins over the line. Along the boards. Saved by Vasilevsky. Stasher with the puck. Nugent Hopkins over the blue line. Bumped off the puck. Sergachev out over the blue line. Hedman takes possession of the puck. Paul.
Show. They're playing like warriors.
Paul scoops up the loose puck. The Lightning dump it in. Cirelli gobbles it up. Paul jumped on by Edmonton. He gets shoved.
He was a target.
Paul finds the loose puck. Cirelli gets shoved. Working along the perimeter. Shoots the puck. Blocked. Myers knocked him off the puck. Tampa takes over. Duclair taken by Edmonton. Bouchard. And out they come with the puck. Turned over at the blue line. Paul gets the loose puck. Fogle. Show.
A solid hit delivered.
Quick pass up.
Get up there.
Bouchard gets hold of the puck. Block. Henrik jumps on the loose puck. Churda steals the pass. And they get called for icing. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Stamkos with the puck. He has a breakaway with a wrist shot. Campbell stabbed at it. Cece gets pushed. Brown grabs the puck. Brings it in. Along the boards. Fast glove.
He makes the save.
Jeno takes control of the puck. Stamkos over the blue line. Breakaway. Wrist shot from the right. Harris passed ahead. Fogle pad save.
Line 2.
Moved across. In the corner. Hagel scores! That's the kind of play that'll get your team fired up.
No doubt about it. What execution.
Tampa is now down by 1 after a late goal here in the second.
Let's see if they go for the equalizer before the break.
The Lightning dump the puck in. Nurse nails. Nice. McDavid takes possession of the puck. Bouchard. Nice has it now. Out of their defensive end. McDavid gets the loose puck. Nice. Fired it hard. Campbell denied him. Move back. Quick pass up. Moved up. Hagel gets muscled off the puck. Scooped up by Tampa. Here he goes, all by himself. And the second period draws to a close. The Lightning haven't been able to generate a lot of offense.
You can't always wait for the perfect shot. Sometimes you just need to pepper the goalie and hope for the best.
All right, we're ready to start the final period.
Look for both teams to try to establish control early.
Passed across. Pass back. Corey Perry. Stoned by Vasilevsky. Vasilevsky freezes the puck. Watson is ready to drop the gloves again, and here they go.
Let's see if he gets the upper hand this time. Both of these guys had their moments, but neither one could really get the upper hand.
We're ready for the face-off. McDavid won the face-off. Draisaitl takes control of the puck. He hits the post. Hagel with the puck. Duclair gets checked. Nurse scoops up the loose puck.
Line one.
Hagel. Wrist shot blocked. Bouchard jumps on the loose puck. Corey Perry gets shoved. Played up. Kucherov shoulders Ernie. Perry steals it. That's icing. About to drop the puck. Stamkos takes control of the puck. One-time shot. Campbell made the brilliant save. Moved up. Perry with the puck. And out they come with the puck. Nugent Hopkins dumps the puck in. Tampa in control now. Edmonton touches up for the icing call. He came up big on that wrist shot.
That was a great attempt, but he stopped him cold.
The puck is about to be dropped. Cherna jumps on the loose puck. Harris, he has it now. Hagel, Duclair gets nailed. Blocked. Passed ahead. Sees a point. Scores! With half a period to go, this game is tied.
Gym players love these kind of situations. The pressure forces them to raise their game to new levels.
Draisaitl corrals the puck. Offside, Edmonton. They're getting ready for the face-off. Henrik wins the draw. Brown takes possession of the puck. Offside, Edmonton. They're getting ready for the face-off. McDavid won the face-off. Offside, Edmonton. The action's about to start. Fogle scoops up the loose puck. Fogle. Ceci. Dumba gets pushed. Gagne gets the loose puck. Offside, Edmonton. The ref is ready to drop the puck. The face-off goes to the Oilers. Heidman gets rubbed off the puck. Grabbed by Edmonton. Duclair pushes McDavid.
Some definite contact there.
McDavid finds the loose puck. Cirelli jumped on by Edmonton. Offside. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Sergachev grabbed it. Nugent Hopkins steals the pass. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Geno scoops. Sergachev scores! Scored on with just half a period left to play.
It's amazing how different the pressure is between the second and third periods. It's like night and day.
Cherna grabs the puck. Hagel gets laid out.
Gave him a jolt there.
Nurse takes control of the puck. Edmonton puts its checking line out. Draisaitl gets the loose puck. Geno passed ahead. Brings it in. Geno takes possession of the puck. Campbell makes the pad save. Stamkos played across. Centered. Advances the puck. Passed ahead. Across. Duclair dumps the puck in. He picks it up with a wrist shot. It goes wide. Perry jumps on the loose puck. He's away.
Line 3.
Duclair has it. Cirelli gets checked. Watson has reached his boiling point and he's ready to go.
He held his own earlier in the game. The jury's still out if he can win this one.
Going to give both combatants game misconducts, Craig.
Wow, that was a major league fight there.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff.
Defender Kane, a game misconduct and a...
Sergachev takes control of the puck. In over the line. Knights, wrist shot. Ernie, Henrik. He dumps it in on the end boards. Edmonton has it. Shoots quickly. Vasilevsky closed the door. This knocks him off the puck. Edmonton got it.
Line 4.
Duclair, Tampa puts its third line out. They dump the puck in. Gagne rifles a shot. Blocked. Bouchard with the puck. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it. Tampa needs to be making a line change soon.
Line 2.
And this time, they've gone in offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Brown wins the draw. Played up. Sheary. Knights takes possession of the puck. Myers. Tampa picks it up. Wrist shot on the right. Saved by Campbell. Campbell hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Lightning. Campbell will head to the bench.
Right now, his team needs every advantage they can get. That means they'll go with the extra man.
Sergachev stops the shot. Kucherov, cannoning right. He scores on the empty net. Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess.
They had to take a chance by pulling the goalie late. That empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
Edmonton has to come up with something huge.
And in a hurry, too.
Shoots! Great glove! Intercepted in front. Moved up. Janmark. Gagne. One-timer. Janmark jumps on the loose puck. Nurse. Tampa scooped it up. Janmark shoves Cirelli. Fogel dumps the puck in. The Hog takes possession. Janmark. Florida, I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.